How to connect Instagram account to Buffer. So first you will need to log into your account. And once you're here, you will see the option to connect your Instagram here on the left side, or you could also click on your profile here on the top right, then click on channels, and it will bring you right here. Then just simply click on connect channel. Then you could choose Instagram from there. So let's just simply go right here. I'm going to click on Instagram, and here, as you can see, you could either connect a personal account or your professional account. So professional accounts are business or creator accounts. And if your account type isn't professional yet, Instagram will prompt you to change it with a few simple steps. So for my account, it's already professional. So I'm just going to simply click on connect to Instagram, but you could also connect a personal account if you want. But for me, I'm just going to use my professional. Going to click on this, then wait for it to load. Then here you will just simply need to click on allow. Now just simply wait. And here, as you can see, this is my business account. So I'm just going to click on finish connection. And as you can see, I now have connected my Instagram account. And here you could just simply select anything right there, or you could just simply skip it if you want. And that is how you basically connect an Instagram account to Buffer.